Hi everyone, I'm Katie Napolitano, and this is really awkward, but this is my third video! So, I know I promised that I'd update all the time and everything, but then it got into the holiday season and I had to dance, keep up with schoolwork, do the play and everything. But the play's over now and the holidays are long past, so I'm serious, I'll update all the time now. I promise. So, now that that's out of the way, I want to talk about what today's video's topic is going to be. And that topic is noises. I'm sure you're all very familiar with the app called Snapchat. So one time I sent my friends a Snapchat of me sounding like a dolphin. Yes, that is me. This Snapchat was sent like over a month ago, and try as I might, I cannot recreate this sound. If you actually took the time to watch this, you might as well comment below about any weird noises that you can make, or maybe even like respond with a video. Okay, well, it's really late where I am, so that's all I have for this video. Comment, subscribe, like, eat Kit Kats. Bye.